Sound by Jaspreet, Jessica, and Aaliyah. Sound is produced by vibrations in the air and air particles colliding.
A wave is defined as a vibration in space and time. The period is the amount of time it takes for a wave to complete a cycle. The wavelength is the length between the peaks of a wave. The frequency is how often a pattern repeats itself. The amplitude is the height of a wave. Amplitude relates to volume. When something is quiet, it has a short amplitude. When something is loud, it has a large amplitude. Frequency relates to pitch. Low pitch means low frequency, and high pitch means high frequency. Resonance is the natural frequency of an object. When driven at that frequency, they will vibrate at increasing amplitudes until stopped by friction. As the ambulance moves closer, the wavelength is shortened, giving a higher pitch since the velocity of the wave is unchanged. Similarly, the pitch of a receding sound source will be lowered. Beating is when two waves that don't have the same pitch interfere with each other. Interference is what happens when two waves encounter each other. If the amplitude of two waves have the same sign, either both positive or both negative, they will add together to form a wave with a larger amplitude. This is constructive interference. If the two waves have amplitudes with opposite signs, they will subtract to form a combined wave with a lower amplitude. This is called destructive interference.
Traveling waves go in one direction and slowly diminish over time, while standing waves go down one direction and come back in a reflection.